Hidden settings you must turn off right away on your iPhone if you use a YouTube. YouTube is using these settings to track all your location. Every activities you've been doing on this app is being recorded, and this might put everything or your activities, your location. Google is monitoring it using your YouTube account on your iPhone. So this video, I will guide you on how to do this and turn it off right away so that you'll be free from what you don't know that is happening where you visit Google on your iPhone. Let's go ahead and turn off these settings. Open your Safari on iPhone. Now on your Google page, visit myactivity.google.com. Now that you visited this site, make sure you log in to the same email address you use on your Google or your YouTube rather. Make sure you log in with the same email address. Now that I've logged into the same email address, tap on the profile icon you see here. Once tap on the profile icon, it comes out like this. Then go ahead and tap on manage your Google account. Tapping on manage your Google account, it brings you to this interface. Now scroll up until you get to data and privacy. Tap on it. Once tap on data and privacy, it brings to this interface. Now scroll up until you see YouTube watch and search history. Tap on it. Once tap on YouTube and search history, it brings to this interface. The first thing you have to do here is to go ahead and turn off these settings right away. Turn it off. Wait a few seconds. Now pause your YouTube history. Tap on turn to pause it. Now the setting is off. Tap on got it. Now that I've turned it off, the next thing you have to do now is simple. Still on the same page, scroll up, tap on manage history. You see this button, tap on manage history. Tap on it. Once tap on manage history, it comes out like this. Now you see this button that says delete. You see these are the history, everything I've been doing. You can see you have it here yourself. Everything I've been doing here is still here. So this is what you need to do now. You have to delete everything here. Tap on this delete button at top of the screen. You see it here. Then tap on delete all time. Then tap on delete. Tap on got it. Now wait a few seconds for Google to delete everything here. Even while using this again, Google will not keep the history of or record of everything you are doing using the Google apps as well as the browser. So this way you are able to secure yourself from YouTube to access and keep track of everything you do on YouTube. If you get this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.